Good afternoon, class 6. This is Shalini Khosla, and today I am going to teach you a topic of grammar, adverb. So, class 6, you might have read about the adverbs earlier also in your previous classes. Adverb is an action describing word. Action describing word. Now, do you remember what are action words? Action words like laughing, walking, speaking, jumping means the act in which you are doing something. That is called action words, and we also name them as verbs. So the adverbs are action describing words. How your action goes on. So adverb is an action describing words. How your action goes on, it tells about the verb. How does your verb, your action is going on? It describes or it modifies the verb. So it can be said that adverb is a verb modifier, your action modifier. It describes how you are doing your work or what action you are doing and in what manner you are doing. All this is described by an adverb. Now it describes how the action is done. आप वो काम कैसे कर रहे हैं, ये आपका adverb बताता है. For example, fast, early, late, never, today, etc. Like if you are walking, how you are walking? I'm walking fast. And I got up early. I got late. I never speak lie. So all these are adverbs. They describe that what action you do and how you do it, in what manner you do it. So now we'll look at these sentences. Sarita eats slowly. Now, can you tell me which one is the verb in this? It is eats. Eats is an action going on in this sentence. Sarita eats. And now if you ask yourself how she eats slowly. Means in this sentence, the action is being described. How Sarita eats? Sarita eats slowly. Second line. Mother gets up early in the morning. When does mother gets up? You will ask yourself and you will get the answer. Mother gets up early in the morning. So what is the verb in this? Gets up. Getting up, gets up, all these are the forms of verb, the action. So the mother gets up early or late. It is mentioned here. It is very much clear here how the action is being done. It describes it. So the mother gets up early in the morning. That means early is the adverb here. Now the third sentence is we should never play on the roadside. Now here the question is where we should never play on the, why we should never play, why we should not play on the roadside, and it tells about the frequency. It tells about that how many times, or it tells about the degree. It tells about the degree that we should not play on the roadside. इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आपको रोड साइड पे कभी नहीं खेलना चाहिए. मीन्स ये जो है वर्ड, ये आपका यहाँ adverb है. Now we will see that how many kinds of adverbs are there. There are 6 types of adverbs. The first one is adverb of manner. The second one is adverb of degree. The third one is adverb of place. The fourth one is adverb of time. And the fifth one is adverb of frequency. The sixth one is interrogative adverb. So all this I am showing you. You have to do this work in your fair notebooks. Likewise, I have written, you have to write it, and you can underline these words with the colored pencils, and you can shade this with different colors, so you can highlight it. It will look good in your notebooks. Now the second, I'm going to describe it one by one. This is adverb of manner. It is used to explain the manner in which action takes place. एक्शन किस तरह हुआ है, किस मैनर में हुआ है, यहाँ पे आपको ये एडवर्ब ये बताता है. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट इट आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन हाउ द एक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस. बी केयरफुल, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. इट रेन्ड हैवीली लास्ट नाइट. नाउ यू विल आस्क योरसेल्फ, हाउ डिड इट रेन लास्ट नाइट? सो द आंसर विल बी हैवीली. In which manner? It is telling you in which manner. So it rained heavily last night. You will ask yourself the question how. So you will get the answer. That means if the question coming to your mind starts with the how, that means it is adverb of manner. Got it? Now we'll take the second example. Mother decorated the house beautifully. How does the mother decorated the house? The answer will be beautifully. So here again, how is coming to your mind? That means this is the adverb of manner. Got it? I hope you are getting it. Second, adverb of degree. It is used to explain the degree or intensity to which an action takes place. In other words, it answers the question to what extent. To what extent? कितना ज़्यादा, कितनी ज़्यादा हद तक. To what extent? For example, I fully agree with you. To what extent do you agree with me? आप मुझसे कितनी परसेंट सहमत हैं, कितने परसेंट, आपको ये डिग्री बताएगा. अगर आपके माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन अराइज हो रहा है, टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट, दैट मीन्स, एंड यू आर गेटिंग दिस आंसर, दैट मीन्स इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. You have to ask, you will read the sentence and you will ask yourself the question that what type of question is coming to your mind. Is it starting with the how? Then it is adverb of manner. If it is starting with to what extent, you are asking yourself that how much do you agree with that person? I fully agree. That means this is the adverb of degree. आप fully उससे agree करते हैं. This dress is not good enough to buy at such a high price. Means, do you think that this dress is worth buying at a high price? First of all, you have to understand the sentence. You should fully understand it. Then only you can find out that what kind of adverb it is. So I'll explain you this in Hindi. This sentence means that ये जो dress है, ये इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं है कि मैं इसे इतने हाई प्राइस पर खरीदूं. So that means good enough. इतनी अच्छी नहीं, not enough, not good enough to buy at such a high price. So in both these sentences, you are getting the to what extent you agree with that person, to what extent you think that this dress is worth buying. Or I can give you some more examples, like if I say that the clothes are partly wet. If I say the clothes are partly wet. Partly means ना तो वो पूरी तरह सूखे हैं, ना ही वो पूरी तरह गीले हैं. मीन्स पार्टली, आधे सूखे हैं, आधे गीले हैं. तो इसमें एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री क्या होगा? पार्टली. उससे आपको पता चलता है कि कितनी डिग्री तक, कितने टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट clothes are dry or wet. So the word partly tells you, partly explains you that partly is the adverb of degree. This word tells you the degree, extent. Now we come to the adverb of place. On number 3, it is used to explain the venue or the place where the action takes place. Now, in other words, we can say that it answers the question where. Now we will read the sentence and it will be clear to you. Don't stand here. Now what question will you ask yourself? Where I should not stand? Where means if the question comes where, that means in the sentence it is here. So it is very much clear that if the question starts with the where, that means it is telling you about the adverb of place. वो आपको उस जगह का बता रहा है जहाँ कि वो सेंटेंस में बात कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आपको किसी जगह का पता चल रहा है, किसी प्लेस का पता चल रहा है सेंटेंस में, तो दैट मीन्स वो आपका एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है. डोंट स्टैंड हियर, यहाँ खड़े मत हो, तो दैट मीन्स यहाँ है ना, हियर. तो आपने अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछा कहाँ, तो अगर आपके दिमाग में कहाँ वर्ड आता है, दैट मीन्स इससे आपको प्लेस का पता चलता है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज गॉन आउट. वेयर ही हैज गॉन, वो कहाँ गया है. अगेन आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन वेयर से स्टार्ट हुआ है, दैट मीन्स आउट. आउट इज टेलिंग यू about the place. So this is the adverb of place. Now we will come to adverb 4, that is adverb of time. It is used to explain the time in which the action happens. In this adverb, in this sentence, this adverb tells you about the time of the action. It will tell you at what time the action has taken place. So in other words, it answers the question when. If after reading the sentence the question starts with the when, that means it is adverb of time. Many years ago here lived a king. When did the king live here? Many years ago, बहुत साल पहले. तो आपको टाइम का पता चल रहा है ना इसमें, कितने साल पहले, बहुत साल पहले. Many years ago here lived a king. The chief guest arrived late. When did the chief guest arrive? You will ask yourself, and the question again starts with when. So the chief guest arrived late. Late is here describing the action. Action means arrived. Here the action is arrived, verb. And when does the chief guest arrive? He arrived late. So that means late is telling you about the adverb of time. Now we come to the next adverb of frequency. It is used to explain the intervals at which the action takes place. How much, how often, या how less you do that thing, you go to that place, you visit that place. It tells about the interval time or the frequency. How often, कितनी बार आपने ये काम किया, कितना ज़्यादा किया या कितना कम किया. How often. Don't get confused with adverb of frequency and adverb of degree. They are a bit confusing, but you have to listen to me carefully. Here it is the degree or the intensity, and here it is the interval. How much, kitna, kitni baar. It mostly tells about the frequency. It tells about the frequency. आपने कितनी बार ये काम किया, और ये बताता है to what degree, कितना ऊपर, कितना नीचे, या कितना कम या कितना ज्यादा. There is a difference between these two adverbs, and you have to read it carefully and understand it. And listen to me. So in other words, it answers the question how often. We have art classes once a week. So how many times, how often do you have your art classes? So you will give the answer once a week. एक बार. तो इसमें आपको पता चल गया ना कितनी बार, how many times. It will tell you the intervals at which the action take place. कितनी देर बाद वो काम हो रहा है. Sometimes I spend my weekend with my aunt. Sometimes means आपको पता चल रहा है कभी कभी मैं अपना वीकेंड अपनी आंट के साथ स्पेंड करती हूँ. दैट मीन्स समटाइम्स, ओनली वंस, एक बार. लाइक वी कैन से फ्यू टाइम्स माई फ्रेंड विजिटेड मी. मेरा फ्रेंड ने मुझे कितनी बार विजिट किया? फ्यू टाइम्स, थोड़े टाइम्स. ठीक है ना. तो ये जो वर्ड्स हैं इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आप कितनी बार या हाउ मच. इट एक्सप्लेन्स द इंटरवल्स. आई होप यू गेटिंग मी. Sixth one is interrogative adverb. It is used to ask questions related to an action. इसमें वो क्वेश्चन पूछता है जो कि एक्शन से रिलेटेड है. ये जो एडवर्ब है इंटेरोगेटिव. इससे तो बच्चे आपको टाइटल से ही पता चल जाता है. इंटेरोगेटिव मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क, इंटेरोगेटिव साइन होता है ना. सो इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर फ्रॉम इट्स टाइटल दैट दिस विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द W words. What, why, when. But you have to take care. It should be related to an action. Right? So the first example is, in other words, it is a question word as I have explained you. First one is, where is Tommy, our pet dog? Means, यहाँ पे वो पूछ रहा है कि जो टॉमी है हमारा पेट डॉग है वो कहाँ है. तो मीन्स वेयर जो वर्ड हुआ वो यहाँ पे इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोवर्ब. वो किसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं? पेट डॉग के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, टॉमी के बारे में, जो कि उनका पेट डॉग है. सेकेंड इज व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग. नाउ हियर द एक्शन इज क्राइंग एंड ही इज आस्किंग यू दैट व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग. सो एक्शन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हुआ. He is asking why this action is going on. So that means this is the interrogative adverb. I hope it is clear to me. So we'll do some small exercise for the practice. Underline the adverbs in the given sentences and write their kinds. Underline the adverbs in the given sentences and write their kinds. So the first one is, she is too shy. She is too shy. Now, can you tell me that which one is the adverb in this? It is too. So what does it is telling about the girl? It is telling that what type of girl it is. She is too shy. Shy is here the action. Is telling about the nature and it is telling that how much she is. So it is telling too. बहुत ज़्यादा. So that means it's an adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. The second one is, the maid swept the floor tidily. How does the maid sweep the floor? Tidily. So here the adverb is tidily. So in what manner? How? The word how is occurring in the question, so that means this is the adverb of manner. Is it clear? Party has already begun. When did the party begin? Now you will ask yourself when. The question is coming. The question is starting with the word when. That means already. It is the party has already begun. So it is telling you about the how. No, when. When means, that means it is adverb of time. It is telling you about the time. So it is adverb of time. We have to underline the, I have just encircled the word adverbs, and I am writing the kinds in this blank. So this is the adverb here and this is the kind. Why is Rama absent today? So the question is asking about the action. So that means this is the adverb. Why? So this is interrogative adverb. Is it clear? The last one, I have never seen him so angry before. I have never seen him angry before. So the question, the adverb here is never. So you will ask how many times, after how much intervals. So that means it is telling about the frequency. So this is adverb of frequency. आपने उसे कभी भी इतना गुस्से में नहीं देखा, never. So that is telling about the frequency. Adverb of frequency. So for today, that's all. I hope you understood whatever I have explained about the adverbs, and you can ask your doubts if you have any in the doubt class. Thank you.